Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Editorify filter settings and how it can simplify the import process by automatically hiding unwanted reviews from your product page. Okay, so from Editorify dashboard, click on Reviews and then select Reviews Filter Settings. Okay, now let's visit one of the product pages. I imported some reviews too. So we have this drone with 10 reviews. And we can see that we have mixed rating reviews here. We have 3 stars, 5 stars, and even 2 stars. Now if we go and have a look at Betty's review, we can see that she mentioned the AliExpress keyword. Now I don't want any of my reviews to contain the AliExpress keyword because I'm dropshipping from AliExpress. So what I should do is go back to the filters page and go to the keywords blacklist field, and on this field I can add all the keywords that I don't want to appear in my reviews. You can add as many keywords that you want, just separate them by commas and then click on the save button. By adding keywords to this blacklist, Editorify will automatically hide the reviews that contains these specific keywords. Now let's go back to the product page and refresh the page. And we can see that now we have 9 reviews instead of 10. And we can see that Betty's review, the one with the AliExpress keyword, was removed from the reviews. Okay, so the next thing I would like to show you, and can be really useful, is how to filter reviews by star rating. On this page, for example, I have mixed rating reviews. You can see that I have reviews with 2 stars, 3 stars, and 5 stars. Now if I want to filter these reviews and show only high rating reviews, I will go back to the filters page and I will go to the rating to display field and select only the review stars rating I would like to show on the page. So for this example I would like to show only reviews that has 4 and 5 stars. So I will select them and click on the save button. So what this action will do is actually hide all the reviews that has lower rating than 4 stars. Let's go back to the product page and refresh. Okay, so we can see that now we have 6 reviews instead of 9. And let's scroll down to the reviews, and we can see that now only reviews that has 4 and 5 stars rating are being displayed on the page. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe for our YouTube channel for more dropshipping tips and Editorify updates. See you next time.